music making is kind of magic. You see somebody play incredibly, you go, wow, they're just so talented, they just can do that. But the reality is all those people that you think are amazing, they spent a lot of time developing their technique and developing the mechanics on an instrument. When you have a good technique, everything that you want to do on the keys becomes easier. Over 30 days, I'll walk you step by step through my all-time favorite exercises that I've developed over my career, from my early days at Juilliard to my decades of recording crazy stuff and touring with Dream Theater. It's all in my course, 30 Days to Better Technique. The first thing we're going to look at is finger independence, which is actually a really crucial technique to get a grip on. These are the exercises that have made the biggest impact on my playing, and now I'm going to share them with you. Welcome to my world. You will develop stronger fingers, more independent fingers, the ability to really express yourself. Your speed will definitely increase, and overall your experience of going brain to hand to music will become at a higher level. And while I play the pattern, I can talk to you, I can play chopsticks. Honestly, it's probably the first time that I taught a course like this. I can really take you from the very, very beginning to a point where you're kind of like, okay, well, now I can go as far as I want. We were given 5 fingers, we might as well use them, and I think this is a good way to do it. With our technology, we're able to allow you to see exactly where my hands are. You'll have notation, you'll have all the tools to really be right there and checking it all out so efficiently. If you're worried that you're not good enough for this course, I encourage you to just jump in. Don't be scared, jump in. I'm friendly, I'm there with you, we're gonna play together, and we're gonna make some music. You'll never wanna play in 4/4 again. I'm Jordan Rudess from Dream Theater, and I am gonna teach you better piano technique.